Welcome to our guide on video editing on phones in 2025. Let's explore how technology has evolved and what trends are shaping the future. In 2025, video editing apps are packed with revolutionary features. Let's look at what makes them stand out in the crowded marketplace. Artificial intelligence is transforming mobile video editing, enhancing creativity and automating various processes, making editing easier than ever. From color grading to audio mixing, we'll cover essential professional techniques that can elevate your mobile video projects. Let's compare the top video editing apps of 2025, focusing on quality and usability to help you choose the right one for your needs. Optimizing your workflow is crucial for speed and efficiency. Here are some practical tips to enhance your editing experience. Creating engaging content is all about storytelling. Discover how different editing styles appeal to modern audiences. It's essential to know best practices for exporting and sharing your videos to maintain quality across various platforms. Let's explore some successful creators who have harnessed mobile video editing to build their professional careers. As we conclude, remember that the future of video editing on mobile devices is bright, offering endless opportunities for creators.